What's the meaning of crosshead? Crosshead. Crosshead.
Crosshead. Crosshead. The term crosshead has multiple meanings depending on the context it's used in. In engineering, a crosshead refers to a component that connects a piston rod to a connecting rod in a reciprocating engine. It allows the piston to move back and forth while maintaining its alignment with the cylinder walls. In carpentry, a crosshead may refer to a decorative element added at the top of a door or window frame. Thus, the meaning of crosshead varies based on its specific use in a particular industry or field.